In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize job searches on Glassdoor. By the end, you'll have a simple system to track roles, stay on top of deadlines, and follow up with confidence. Let's start by setting up a tracking sheet. You can use Excel, Google Sheets, or even a notebook, whatever you'll actually keep updated. Keep it lean so it's fast to fill out. Create columns for company name, job title, date applied, status, and job link. For status, keep it consistent with options like applied, interview, rejected, or offer. If you're using a spreadsheet, consider using a drop-down for status and a date format for date applied, to keep everything clean and searchable. The goal is to make recording information quick so you don't avoid it. Next, head to Glassdoor and sign in. Use the search bar to enter a job title and location. You can refine results using filters like full-time, remote, or salary range to narrow down to what fits you. Sorting by date can help you spot the freshest postings. Take a moment to scan the descriptions and make sure your skills line up with the must-haves so you spend your time wisely. By the way, you'll find a link to Glassdoor at the top of the description, and if you prefer using your phone, the download links for the mobile app are there too. When you see roles that look promising, click Save Job on Glassdoor so you can revisit them easily. Then copy the job's link into your tracking sheet under Job Link. Add the company and the exact job title so you can search your sheet later without confusion. This keeps everything in one place and prevents losing track of opportunities you liked. When you're ready to apply, submit your application directly through Glassdoor or the employer's site. As soon as you apply, update your sheet with the date applied and change the status to applied. This tiny habit makes a huge difference. You might also jot a quick note in the same row if needed, like who the recruiter was or a follow-up date, but keep it brief so the sheet stays tidy. Finally, check your sheet regularly. When you hear back, update the status to interview, rejected, or offer. Doing a quick review every couple of days helps you follow up on time and spot roles that may need a nudge. That's it. Keep your process light, consistent, and all in one place. If this helped, don't forget to check the links in the description. Thanks for watching.